Let's be honest for a second. We spent $1,000 on these incredible pieces of tech only to wrap them in the same mass produced scratchy plastic cases as everyone else on the block. It's boring, it's cold, and it has zero personality. But what if I told you that your phone case could feel like a cozy, high fashion hug? Welcome back, creators and trendsetters. Today we are diving into the ultimate collection of crochet mobile cover designs that are taking Etsy and Shopify by storm. Whether you are looking for the perfect cozy accessory for your own phone or you are a maker looking for the next best selling product to add your online shop, you are in the right place. Stick around until the end because I am revealing the number one design trend that is absolutely flying off the digital sleeves right now. Let's get inspired. First up, let's talk about the aesthetic dominating Gen Z and millennial fields. Y2K nostalgia and category. Look at these daisy chain pouches. They aren't just protection, they are an entire vibe. Using a simple granny square base, you can mix and match colorways to create something truly unique. And check out these retro jacket patterns. They are incredibly satisfying to look at and even better to hold. If you are selling these on Etsy, remember aesthetic shells. Buyers aren't just looking for scratch protection, they want statement pieces that match their retro outfit. Pro tip for the shop owners, group these into a pastel dreams or retro vibes collections or Shopify to encourage multiple purchases. Now let's pivot to something that combines beauty with pure functionality. If you are selling online, convincing is a massive selling point. Take a look at these crossbody crochet phone purses. They are perfect for festival, quick grocery runs, and dog walks when you just don't want to carry a bulky bag. Notice the detail here, adding a secure wooden button or a magnetic clasp instantly elevate the perceived value of your item. And look at this genius design, a mobile cover with a tiny built-in pocket on the back for a credit card or a lip gloss. While listing these on Shopify or Etsy, make sure to highlight these features in your titles. Words like crossbody, phone, purse, or hands free mobile sleeves or SEO goldmine. But hey, maybe bright colors aren't your audience thing. Enter minimalist luxury, never underestimate the power of neutrals. These creams, tubes, and sage grains covers rely entirely on rich texture to do the talking. By using stitches like the alpine stitch, waffle stitch, or micro cable knit, you create a premium tactile experience. These designs appeal to a completely different demographic. Think the clean girl aesthetic or professional who want something sophisticated yet artistic. For your online store, style these photos next to a cup of coffee, a linen journal, or a sleek laptop. You are not just selling a crochet cover, you are selling a cozy or recognized lifestyle. Alright, I promised you the number one trend. It's absolutely crushing it online right now. Behold the novelty 3D cover. Anything with personality sells instantly. Look at these frog's eyed pouch and cat ear sleeves. These are quickly full of joy and incredibly shareable on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Another massive hit. Dangling charms, crushing a tiny strawberry, a little star, or a flower puff or attach it to the side of the case adds that unboxing magic. The buyers obsessed over. If you want a 5-star review on Etsy, add